All right, guys, welcome back to another episode of Jermaine Morgan TV. Right off the cuff, if you are a musician, a bass player, no matter what you play, you need to be posting to social media, i.e. YouTube. If you're not already doing that, and I know the problem that some of you guys may have, if you are already accomplished musicians and you have a social media or you have YouTube channel or Facebook or that kind of thing, you're like, well, when I post covers, my video gets flagged and that kind of thing, or I get a copyright strike and I'm unable to earn any money off of my content. Well, I got you. Y'all know I'm looking out for you. Many of you guys know I've been making these backing tracks here on YouTube for some time now, and also on the site. Well, to the point, today you see the title of this video is called Fresh. I'm super excited about this. This is a new track that I've created called Fresh, and it's also available on the website. So don't worry, I've pinned it in the comments below. You can see it in the description. You also see it at the end of this video, how to gain access to this particular track. You might be asking me, Jermaine, what difference does it make if I post or not? Well, nowadays, that's your calling card. If people are going to hire you, they're going to be looking. I'm a minister of music myself, so when I am looking to hire or in a position to hire musicians, I'm looking first things first. You can see the resume, but I want to see how you play. I want to see how you do, what you sound like, what's your feel. I want to look at you, right? For lack of better words, and that's what a lot of people are wanting to do nowadays. So posting to some type of social media is your calling card. So that's just a free nugget for some of you musicians who haven't been posting or you don't post as often. You want to build a catalog. And not only that, it gives you the opportunity for people to follow your growth. It exposes you to a completely different audience of people who wouldn't have heard of you before. And you could be missing potential work. I know I've made tons of money just by being visible online. So just a little side note for you musicians who are watching. So we're going to jump into this track called Fresh. This joint is banging. So, well, I'm not being facetious. I'm for real. I enjoy playing it. I enjoy making it. And I know you as the bass community will enjoy rocking out to it as well. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. We'll talk more about some other stuff at the end of this video if you hang all the way around to the end. So here we go. Here's Fresh. Ah. So yeah, y'all can clearly hear that that's a fun song to rock out to, and you heard me just changing the bass line up, and that's really the idea of that particular song. You want to just keep rocking and rolling with it over and over again, and spend that time with the song just having fun. The idea of this reason why I do these things for the bass community, I feel like that's one way that I can serve you all. In addition to the lessons that I do, you want to play. I know I've heard some of the negative comments. Y'all don't want to listen to me talk the whole time. You want to play, and so I want to make sure that I'm creating things for. I'm sorry about that, for you guys to be able to play and enjoy what you do. So I don't want to hold it up. I'm gonna put again, the link is in the description of this video. It's also pinned in the comments as well as at the end of this video, so you can go and grab this right now and jam out to it. Also, I want to make mention of this, lest I forget. My code is still active for this bass. If you want to get your own messenger bass, be sure to use my code. I will put it in the description as well. J Morgan. When you go to Warrior, you visit the site. If you go on JermaineMorgan.net, you can see the link how to get access and get your own messenger bass custom built. So just my little gift to you guys. So all right, you take care, y'all. I'll see y'all on the next video. I'm out. Thank y'all for watching. Peace.